Imagine a camera so innovative that it shakes up the entire photography landscape. A camera that has professionals and enthusiasts alike holding their breath. That's exactly what the Canon EOS R9 promises to be. Leaks and whispers from our most trusted sources suggest that this could be the ultimate APS-C mirrorless camera. But what's so special about it? And more importantly, how does it stack up against the much-loved Canon EOS R7? We'll break it all down for you, so stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss a single detail. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Alt Buzz for the latest updates and in-depth reviews on everything photography. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and the Canon EOS R9 doesn't disappoint, at least according to the leaks. It's rumored to feature a 32.5 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, the same resolution as the Canon EOS R7. But here's the kicker. Canon may have implemented a brand new processing engine that enhances image quality significantly. Think of cleaner images, better color reproduction, and incredible detail even in low-light conditions. Let's talk practical examples. Imagine you're out capturing a cityscape at night. With the Canon EOS R9's enhanced sensor technology and rumored expanded ISO range up to 102,400, you could capture every detail. The glow of streetlights, the reflection on wet pavement, without introducing much noise. That's an area where the R7 already performs well, but the R9 could elevate it to a whole new level. Another point worth mentioning is dynamic range. While the R7's performance is excellent in this department, sources suggest that the R9 will push the boundaries even further. This means retaining details in both the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights. A game changer for landscape and wedding photographers who need versatility in challenging lighting conditions. If you're a content creator or filmmaker, you'll want to sit down for this one. The Canon EOS R9 is rumored to offer 8K video at 30 frames per second. That's right, cinematic level resolution in a compact APS-C body. For comparison, the Canon EOS R7 maxes out at 4K 60 frames per second, which is already impressive. But 8K, that's a whole new realm of possibilities. Now let's talk slow motion. The Canon EOS R9's 4K 120 frames per second capability means you can slow things down dramatically without sacrificing detail. Whether it's capturing the graceful movement of a dancer or the splash of a water droplet, the results will be mesmerizing. In contrast, the R7 offers slow motion only at full HD resolution, a noticeable difference for creators looking for professional-grade quality. Picture this. You're filming a sports documentary, and you want to capture a snowboarder carving through fresh powder. With the Canon EOS R9, not only can you track their every move with precision using its AI-enhanced autofocus, but you can also record in stunning 8K. Later, you can crop into the footage without losing quality, creating dynamic edits that keep your audience glued to the screen. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system is already a fan favorite, and it seems the R9 will take it to the next level. Leaks suggest AI-powered subject tracking, which could include advanced recognition for animals, vehicles, and even individual faces. This is a big step up from the Canon EOS R7, which, while excellent, doesn't feature AI-enhanced tracking to this extent. For vloggers and run-and-gun filmmakers, the 5-axis in-body stabilization will be a lifesaver. This feature isn't new. It's in the R7 too, but early reports indicate that the R9 could refine it further. Imagine walking through a bustling market while recording handheld footage, and the result looks as smooth as if it were shot on a gimbal. That's the kind of performance we're hoping for. Moving on to build quality, the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to feature full weather sealing, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. Whether you're shooting in the rain, dust, or even snow, this camera could be your trusted companion. The Canon EOS R7 already offers weather sealing, but industry insiders suggest that the R9 will take durability up a notch, possibly with improved sealing materials or design. Let's talk about size and ergonomics. Canon has always been praised for designing cameras that feel natural in hand, and the R9 will likely continue this tradition. However, early leaks suggest a slightly more compact body than the R7, making it even more travel-friendly. Pair that with an improved LPE6NH battery, rumored to deliver longer shooting times, and you have a camera that's ready to keep up with your creative ambitions. Think of a wildlife photographer trekking through rugged terrain. They need a camera that's lightweight yet durable, capable of withstanding unpredictable conditions. If the R9 lives up to these rumors, it could be a dream come true for professionals who depend on their gear in the toughest environments. In today's fast-paced world, connectivity matters more than ever. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, offering faster file transfers and more reliable connections for tethered shooting or live streaming. For context, the Canon EOS R7 includes Wi-Fi 5, which, while decent, can sometimes lag when transferring large files. This upgrade could be a game changer for studio photographers and content creators who need seamless workflows. Additionally, dual card slots, one SD and one CF Express, mean you can handle high-resolution files without breaking a sweat. Whether you're shooting raw photos or 8K video, you'll have the speed and storage capacity to keep going without interruptions. Now the big question, how much will the Canon EOS R9 cost? Early reports suggest a price tag of around $2,500. That's quite a leap from the Canon EOS R7, which launched at $1,499. But when you consider the rumored features, 8K video, improved autofocus, and advanced connectivity, it starts to make sense. As for the release date, industry insiders hint at late 2025. While that feels like a long wait, Canon has a track record of delivering well-polished products. If they're taking their time to ensure the R9 meets or exceeds expectations, it'll be worth the patience. Let's say you're a semi-professional photographer contemplating an upgrade. You currently own the Canon EOS R7 and love it, but you find yourself wanting more. More resolution, more video options, more everything. The R9, if it lives up to its promises, could be the perfect step forward. So what do you think of these leaks? Could the Canon EOS R9 be the camera that finally dethrones the beloved R7? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, consider sending us a super thanks or joining our channel membership. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in camera technology. Hit that like button, subscribe to Alt Buzz, and ring the bell so you're always in the loop. Until next time, happy shooting.